Hi, this is my physical science experiment, and I'm going to be experimenting pennies. And what I'm going to do is, the question is, can vinegar clean a tarnished penny? So what I'm going to do is, I have vinegar here, I have salt, I have a teaspoon, and I have tarnished pennies, and I have a bowl. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use 1/4, 1/4 of vinegar, and I'm going to pour it into a bowl. And then what I'm going to take is 1 teaspoon of salt here, and I'm going to pour it inside the vinegar. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put tarnished pennies inside the salt and vinegar to see whether or not it cleans the vinegar. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just swirl it around for a few minutes to see whether or not the vinegar and salt will clean the tarnished pennies. And so far it's working, but what I'm going to do is, I'm going to sit that here, and there are other things that we can also use to see whether or not they will clean pennies. We're going to do lemon juice, we're going to do dish detergent, and we're going to use ketchup. And we're going to see whether or not these items clean tarnished pennies as well. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use a real lemon, so we can get real lemon juice to see whether or not we can, I'm strong, we can get the pennies to be clean. So there we have it there. There's the lemon juice. And I'm going to put a tarnished penny in the lemon juice and let it sit. We have dish detergent there. And we have pennies, tarnished pennies. I will sit in here. And we have ketchup. So I will put some ketchup in the bowl as well. And put a tarnished penny inside the ketchup. See what happens. So there you have it. Okay. The results from the salt and vinegar is, here we have it. You have the tarnished pennies that's clean. They came clean with the vinegar and the salt. And the pennies with the lemon juice, let's see what's happening here. And I'm going to let it sit just a few more minutes to make sure we have enough time to see whether or not the lemon juice, the dish detergent, and the ketchup gets the pennies clean. So here we know vinegar and salt cleans tarnished pennies here. So I'm going to put this here. Come on, Nate, can you come around here so we can look at the pennies? So those are those two. Those two are clean. And that's the lemon juice. And it's still the same. Nothing happened with the lemon juice. It's still the same. And here's the detergent. It's not clean. It's still tarnished. And here's the ketchup. Well, the ketchup looks a little better, but it doesn't look as clean as the vinegar and the salt did. So that's our results for can vinegar clean a tarnished penny? The answer is yes. And other items or materials that we use to see whether or not we can clean pennies, tarnished pennies with it, it didn't work quite as well as what the vinegar and salt did. So yes, vinegar and salt can clean tarnished pennies. Thank you.